Hi everyone, I'm Leon Thomas Lewick. Here's your political news roundup for Monday, March 25th. It's a critical week for the issue of same-sex marriage in America. The Supreme Court hears oral arguments tomorrow on Proposition 8. That's California's ban on same-sex marriage. Then on Wednesday, the same justices will hear arguments on the Federal Defense of Marriage Act. That law stops the federal government from recognizing same-sex marriages in states where they're legal. The overriding legal question is whether there is a constitutional right to same-sex marriage. Another mainstay of civil rights legislation could be in jeopardy. This time it's affirmative action laws that give preferential treatment to minorities in such things as hiring and school admissions. The Supreme Court agreed to take up a Michigan voter referendum that bans race and sex-based discrimination or preferential treatment for admissions to public universities. Last year, a federal appeals court ruled that ban on affirmative action violated the Equal Protection Clause of the Constitution. The Supreme Court will hear arguments on that case this fall. President Obama says it's time to stop studying the issue of immigration reform and start enacting some changes. With Congress out of town on Easter recess, Obama used a naturalization ceremony at the White House to say it's time to finish the job on reform. A bipartisan group of congressional members is working on an overhaul of immigration laws. Obama said he expects to see a bill introduced and debate to begin in April. And New York City Mayor Michael Bloomberg is stepping up the push to require universal background checks for gun buyers. Bloomberg and his Mayors Against Illegal Guns organization began a $12 million ad campaign. In it, the group pushes Congress to approve the background check legislation. The ads are running in 13 states. Congress debates that issue next month. That's your political news roundup for Monday, March 25th. I'm Leon Thomas Lewick. Stay logged on to rttnews.com for the latest political, economic, and stock market news all day long.